Got about a 2000 Bandit 250 XP. Gonna show you how easy this Auto Feed Plus is to hook up. Got the control unit, got your simple wiring. White wire can connect your alternator or your pickup. You got your black as your ground. Red goes your key. That's the only wiring up here. Wiring is already pre-done. It comes back in, connects the valve block. As far as the hydraulics, got your main feed line, goes in your bar valve. You got output A, output B. Comes down, connects the reversing valve. A goes to T, B goes to P. Straight through the block, output A, output B. These lines here connect exactly as they originally did on your bar valve. Handle goes out in the original forward feed position. The auto feed takes care of everything else. This will take you maybe 2 hours looking for tools, start to finish.